Welcome. This is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, market up once again today, and we've actually regained our pre-last Thursday levels for the S&P 500. So we're still about 6% off the highs for the year in the S&P, but we've gained everything back from the losses on Thursday and Friday. Right now, the VIX is tracking into the 25 range. But if you look at the May options, there's still a lot of uncertainty priced into May. So a lot of people bid for the 40 calls, for the 35 calls, for the 30s. Volatility levels are at their highest levels of the year, excluding last week and early this week. So people are still pricing a significant possibility that this European debt situation could flare up. As you look further out in the VIX, people are pricing in the possibility that the VIX could stay around this level. 25 is the cash right now. All of the futures are between 25 and 28. So people aren't saying that the VIX will just track back into 18, 19, 20, the range it was in before this situation flared up. Rather, they're expecting continued volatility at about this level. But when you look at the option trades that we're seeing, people are buying calls, but they're not buying them as aggressively as they were last week. Last week, people would just come, pay the offer on an upside call, pay through the offer. Right now, we're seeing a lot of spreading, and spreads tend to go up mid-market, and they tend not to move volatility nearly as much. For example, we had the July 30-40 call spread trade, 1 by 1.5, that traded for 80 cents. That's just an example of the type of trade we're seeing now. Trades in the market, trades good volume, 10,000 by 15,000. Someone looking to get some upside protection, but not someone who's just plowing the offer and raising vol significantly. So you can see there's a lot less panic in the marketplace. Markets are operating a lot more orderly, but there are continued concerns and call buyers. Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.